So let's take a look at an example of configuring report caching. Taking a look at the first report that I deployed, this sales by product. When I make the request, it's actually retrieving live data right now to satisfy that report request. And to sort of make this clearer, what I do is I come to the report, and I'm going to introduce the built-in field that is the execution time. And I'm going to format that with a format code called capital F. That's full date format. And so what you'll see then is that when the report's executed, we'll see the exact date and time that that execution happened. So in fact, what I'm going to do is just deploy it straight to the server. So for 2008 quarter one, there's the report that happened at 36 seconds past the 19th minute. And what you'll note here is that when you go ahead and reload it, it's on demand. It will go and get the data and execute it again, and now we see at 47 seconds, that's what the data looked like. Now what I'm going to do is set up a caching policy for this that says cache the data from the first request for 1 minute and then reuse that cache. Now in order to do that, I need to switch home, come to my data sources. I need to ensure that the data source that it's using uses fixed credentials. So I have a SQL Server login set up for this called report execution. And now I can take a look at the dependent items, and these are all of the reports and data set using this data source, and come across and manage my sales by product report. And when I say manage, I come to the process options, and I say instead of running this report with the most recent data and not caching it, go ahead and cache it and keep that cache for 1 minute. And now the first request for it results in that data being cached and available for reuse across all users. So we'll see here at 56 seconds for this one. Doesn't matter how many times I reload for this minute, it is not going to the database server to get that data. If I create a different request, quarter 2, it will require it to go ahead and create a second cached instance for that report.